Welcome. If you are looking for downloaded files in your DOOGEE X55, in a few steps I'm going to show you where you can find it. So for the first I'm going to download something, and I'm going to open the Chrome. I think that we can take the photo of the Justin Bieber. Click, hold, tap on the download. Chrome needs access to the location, so let's allow it. Tap on the home button, and right now we are going to check where it is. I think it will be here in downloads. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya.